guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is having a great day. I am back with this week's CVS deal. There are some really good deals that you can do with just your app, or you can combine them with paper coupons if you have the paper version of it. Check coupons.com because there are some really good coupons there that you can print out, and you can also check their app in case you don't have the paper version. That way you can submit your receipt, but with that it's a limit of 1. So make sure you're taking advantage of all that. The first deal I'll be doing will be the spend $25, get $8 back, and this is a limit of 1. And I'll be picking up this Viva paper towel, the 6 count, priced at $10.49. That's the sale price. And also one of the cottonelle on sale for $10.49 as well. This is the 9 mega rolls. To get to 25, I'll pick up the Downy Unstoppable, priced at $5.49 as well. All 3 of them will come up to $26.47, which is above the spend $25, get $8 back. I'll be using this $3 coupon I got from P&G. I went on their website and redeemed some of my points for sample, and when I received my sample, I have this coupon in it. For the cottonelle, I have a $1 digital coupon that will attach to it as well, and also for the Viva paper towel, there is another $1 digital coupon that will attach to it. When all 3 coupons apply, I'll end up paying just $21.47 and I'll get $8 back, making all 3 items $13.47 or $4.49 each. But I also have a 7 off of 70 email CRT that I'll be adding to this transaction to even add with the savings. Let me go pick up the rest of the items. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove Dry Spray. It's part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and this is a limit of 1 as well. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.99. That means one will be full price and the other one will be half off. Everybody received a 4 off of 2 in our app today, and I'll also be using another 4 off of 2 from Match Unilever that expired on the 1st, but my store still accepts it, so make sure you're checking with your store to see if it's okay to use. When both coupons apply, it's going to double dip. It will bring it down to $6.99. I will pay that and I'll get $4 back. Then check your Ibotta because I have a $1 back limit of 5, so I'll be receiving $2. When I get those $2, it will end up being 99 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on the Dove hand soap. It's part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1 as well. It's priced at $5.29, and both of them will come up to $10.58. I will use this BOGO coupon we got from Match Unilever that will take off just $4.49, even if the price is $5.29. The max amount it can take off is $4.49. When that applies, it will bring it down to $6.09. I will pay that and I'll get $4 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Fetch and I'll get 750 points back on each one of them, which is almost $1.50 because Fetch changed their reward points, making both items just 59 cents or 29 cents each. If you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, this would be a good time to use it because these are full price items. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $5.49. Those 2 will come up to $10.98. I'll be using this 3 off of 2 I got from coupons.com. I printed this last week. I don't think it's still available, but you can check. And we also have a matching 3 off of 2 in our app that will also double dip and take off $6, leaving me to pay just $4.98, and I'll get $4 back, making both items 98 cents or 49 cents each. Last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. It's on buy 3, you get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 3 of the brow pencils priced at $5.79 each, and all 3 will come up to $17.37. I'll use 3 of the $2 coupons I got from coupons.com. They are no longer available. And I also have this $2 instant CRT we received last 2 weeks. I printed mine, so it extended till the 15th. That's why I'm able to use it, because my store still accepts CRTs expired. I think mine is just 1 day, so I'm still able to use this. When the 3 coupons and the CRT apply, it will bring it down to $9.37. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items free and a 63-cent money maker. These are everything I'll be using with the 10 off of 70. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything I picked up, all my coupons worked out very well. Everything I showed you guys, it came off. The Dove hand soap, it took off $4.49. The Dove dry spray, double dipped and took off extra $4. The same thing with the L'Oreal hair care. I ended up using $41.89 extra care box, paid $0 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for the L'Oreal, another $4 for the Dove hand soap, and I'll be submitting my receipt for this to fetch as well. And I got back $10 for the CoverGirl, and another $4 for buying 2 of the Dove dry spray. And I also submit my receipt to Ibotta to get $1 back on each one of them, a total of $2. And I got back the $8 for doing the spend 25, get $8 back. This whole transaction after the rebates ended up being $8.39 or 70 cents each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the spend 10, get $5 back on Crest toothpaste. And I will be picking up the ones priced at $4.99. I will suggest you check your store if it's tagged. If you have anyone that is priced cheaper, it will make this deal a better deal. But I'll be picking up 4 of the ones priced at $4.99. I checked out already, so I'll be explaining this deal with my receipt. I picked up 4 of the toothpaste, and all 4 of them came up to $19.96. And looking at my receipt, you can see the first coupon, that's a manufacturer's coupon I got from P&G website. It double dipped with the 5 off of 3 everybody received today. If you still have your $2 coupon that I think we've had this for 2 weeks. If you still have yours, it will also double dip with the other ones and take off an extra $2. I used a 3 off of 18 Crest CRT. When all the coupons and CRT apply, it will bring it down to $7.96. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back because I did this deal twice, making all 4 items free and a $2.04 money maker. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the Garnier Fruity shampoo and conditioner. It's part of the spend 15, you get $5 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $8. I'll pick up 4, that way I can be able to get to 15, but 4 of them will come up to $16. I will also use this $3 off of 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. I'll be using 2 of those paper coupons, and I'll be adding another 3 off of 2 in our app. Everybody's supposed to have that. I have another 3 off of 15 CRT that will apply to this. And we all received an instant cooked CRT today that will take off another $2. When everything apply, I will end up paying just $2 and I'll get $5 back, making all 4 items free and a $2 money maker. These items are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $1.99. That's the Rice Krispie treats or the Pop-Tarts. I'll pick up 2. 2 of them will come up to $3.98. And I'll be using a $1 off of 2 coupon I got from Kellogg website. So check it out if you want to pick up this. My receipt, you can see all the items I showed earlier on. I picked them up. And that's the $1 for the Rice Krispie treat that you're seeing right there. I forgot to add the instant CRT we received today for the Garnier. I ended up paying extra $2 and I got a $5 back. This transaction is still a good deal even if you do this by itself. But I used another card to show you guys how it's supposed to look if you add the instant CRT. You can see there, I paid just $2 extra care box, paid $0 out of pocket, and I still got my $5 back, making this particular receipt free and a $3 money maker. This concludes my haul for this week. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.